Factors. One day, the teacher gave a task to Evelyn. The task is to arrange 12 chocolates equally in a group. She has to arrange them in rows such that each row has the same number of chocolates. She tried the following arrangements of 12 chocolates in rows. One row of 12 chocolates. This can be represented as 1 into 12 is equal to 12. Two rows of 6 chocolates each. 2 into 6 is equal to 12. 3 rows of 4 chocolates each. 3 into 4 is equal to 12. 4 rows of 3 chocolates each. 4 into 3 is equal to 12. 6 rows of 2 chocolates each. 6 into 2 is equal to 12. 12 rows of 1 chocolate each. 12 into 1 is equal to 12. All the given arrangements have a total of 12 chocolates in them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 are the different groups in which chocolates are arranged equally. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 are the factors of 12. All the numbers that can be multiplied to obtain a given product are called the factors of the product. A factor is a number that can divide another number exactly without leaving a remainder. Later, she took 24 beads and arranged them in the given way. One row of 24 beads. This can be represented by 1 into 24 is equal to 24. 2 rows of 12 beads each. 2 into 12 is equal to 24. 3 rows of 8 beads each. 3 into 8 is equal to 24. 4 rows of 6 beads each. 4 into 6 is equal to 24. 6 rows of 4 beads each. 6 into 4 is equal to 24. 8 rows of 3 beads each. 8 into 3 is equal to 24. 12 rows of 2 beads each. 12 into 2 is equal to 24. 24 rows of 1 bead each. 24 into 1 is equal to 24. 24 is divisible by 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. So, all these are factors of 24 because all these numbers divide 24 without leaving a remainder. Let us learn about properties of factors. 1 is a factor of every number and every number is a factor of itself. Factor of a number is always less than or equal to the number. Every number except 1 has at least 2 factors but not unlimited. Common factors, 2 or more numbers can have the same factors. Let us find the common factors of chocolates and beads. The factors of chocolates, that is 12, are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. The factors of beads, that is 24, are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. Here, the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 are common among the factors of both 12 and 24. So, these numbers are common factors of 12 and 24.
Let us recall. All the numbers that can be multiplied to obtain a given product are called the factors of the product. A factor is a number that can divide another number exactly without leaving a remainder. 1 is a factor of every number. and every number is a factor of itself. Factor of a number is always less than or equal to the number. Every number except 1 has at least 2 factors but not unlimited.